Hi, I'm Miss Liz from the North Las Vegas Library District. Today we're going to make some homemade butter. To do that, all you need is some simple ingredients. You need a mason jar, any size will do, and you need some heavy whipping cream with the highest fat content that you can find. This one has 6 grams of fat. Most of at the store only have 5 grams of fat. So I found this one, and all you do is open up your mason jar. Poured it about halfway full of the whipped cream. Screw on the lid, and then all you do is start shaking. You want to shake it hard enough so that it hits the lid. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to set my timer for about 3 minutes, and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay, it's been 3 minutes, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. Make sure you have someone else with you to shake the buttermilk cream because it takes a lot of time. Okay, so it almost looks like whipped cream right now. You could do it a little more, add some vanilla and some sugar, and you'd have whipped cream. But we don't want whipped cream today, so we're going to keep going. I'm going to do it, set my timer for 8 more minutes. Okay, I'm about 7 minutes into shaking it, and nothing's happening. I don't hear any liquid. It seems like it's not going to work. But I'm going to keep shaking it. At this point, maybe a minute or two, you'll have butter.
And this is what you're going to start to see. It's starting to turn to butter. Starting to separate. Almost done.
Butter.
Open it and find out. Ta-da! Just kidding. I'll get the real jar. Okay, I see some buttermilk forming. Okay, let's open up our jar and see our butter. First, you want to pour out the buttermilk. And then the butter. Just a few more steps after this, and then we're all done. You can use your buttermilk for some buttermilk pancakes or some buttermilk biscuits. Next step is to rinse your butter. You want to make sure all the buttermilk is out. Do this until the water runs clear. Okay. Once the water is clear, you have your butter. Okay, so I went ahead and put the butter into the mold, put it in the freezer, and then, well, this isn't frozen solid, so it's not going to come out as good as it would. But you get the idea.
Butter.
All right.
Okay, so we just made some butter. Pretty easy to do. This is the final product.
Shake.
Butter, get going.
Butter.